Bravo.
There's one in there.
No, another one.
Very good.
These actually do real well. We have a lot of bait, a lot of minnows in this water. Those guys will have no problem finding food. They actually went through school food where we catch minnows and we put them in a tray. And we just make sure that everybody is catching food on their own. Plus we've given them live crickets, something they have to chase around and try to catch, to try to get them as ready as possible.
So what's
This
this?
guy, usually the bigger herons sometimes need a little coaxing. Just try to put a little stick in here. These are one of my favorite birds. I love the night heron species.
Oh.
He's big.
You're talking. There he goes. He says, I'm happy.
Is there another one in there?
Nope. Just them two. We actually had a few other species that are about a week or two away. We had